Some people start have kids. Some people have kids when them older. When them have it, can maintain them kids. I just girl like me and some other star girl as we fuck we breed, cause we are easy breed and we just breed. I'm $10 for bills. Lane blacker one. Lane blacker one. Chaos in the house. Render it, tile it out, render it, every blood clotting, fix it up, paint every blood clotting, grill it. And put French on it, blood clot. And a $10 bills. But I'm glad for him effort. I work, man. And a $10 bills. But I'm glad for him effort. Me say no $10 bills.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete of minute upon the beat, and as you can see, on the screen, yeah, it's not a good look for Jamaica at the moment, because you know, Sam Melissa is moving with full speed ahead. You know what I mean? And according to the, you know, the media outlets, the official ones, the whole island looks to be in danger. You know what I mean? A lot of flood risk, community X, Y, and Z. You see what I say? So I know a lot of people has been praying for, you know, the Almighty, the Lord, to save Jamaica from, you know, Mother Nature. But I hope a lot of one has been preparing also. You feel me? Yeah, we need to be preparing and praying at the same time. You see my people? Put in the comment section what you think about that. No, the next trending thing me say out of Jamaica after the one story that I was sent in. Look like some barber guy from Portmore went to London, link up with one girl, and you know, started talking about the girl in the street. Got back to her. The girl said that, you know, there was not a couple X, Y, and Z. So the man, you know, took video things of the girl when she was asleep and sent it to a bagger man in her phone. And not just talk about bagger things about the girl. This is the person that you see in front of you. You see, man, say he has been arrested by the UK authorities. You know what I mean? I have got some voice notes, but I changed their, you know, tone of voice. So let's hear what I want for that to go on, and we'll proceed.
But you know what? It's not a problem for me. It's not a problem for me. So even I don't like they just talking too much, you know. For me, it's not a man's behavior. It's not a man's behavior, definitely. But finally, I was like, okay, you know. I think that nigga just tripping. Some niggas be emotional sometimes, you know. Mm-hmm. Some niggas just be emotional, so that's why I don't care about it. I think maybe I'm the only person, you know. I don't know. Thing, you know? Like mental health, yeah. For real. Yeah. You need some help, you know? I feel that. Yeah, because it's very weird. You know? And I felt that. And I'm a woman.
As I said, I have to change up them voice, but you know, my job was to spread awareness that this individual is doing these things. You know what I mean? We don't know if we encounter him, but we have spread the word, you see me? Yeah. Now time for the real bagger that there's for now, you know, Rosealee husband AKEEM, you know, he bought her BMW a day, and a lot of people was chastising him, saying, oh, it's old and all of these things and things and things. And then, you know, a lot of people was chastising Rosealee, saying, oh, if it wasn't for AKEEM, you wouldn't have nothing out of TikTok. Because Jakes is over there building a mansion brick by brick, block by block. You see what I say? So you hear at the beginning of the video, Rosealee say, you know, house no more than vehicle, or whatever she is saying. You know what I mean? Trying to downplay Jake's projects, right? Boy, oh boy, oh boy. And that would never be finished and all of these things. But as you seen in the beginning of the video, Jake's house should be done in the next 2 months. You feel me? The shell alone. Then, you know, I'm have to do the painting and, you know, electrical wires and all of this stuff. But it should be done in 2 months. You feel me? So he only has been on TikTok for 2 months. So it's definitely a good look Don't wanna think?
One man in me a pass, I want to suck my when me look. Live, I hear my business. Me just say, whoa, murder. Them say me I walk up, oh, someone can tell that. Oh, someone can tell that I'm a sight, I don't know, me not like, you know. I walk past. I know, so when me a pass, it's live on. Somebody type in the comments. I'm looking at moderator and move them, but somebody type in the comments and my eye grab it. If me still love GX. You still love GX. Let me be honest. Sometime I think about the decision I make. When I feel lonely, sometimes I will feel lonely and think about the decision I make. And if every single time I think about the decision I make, every single time I want to, my other spirit tell me, say, you have made the right choice. Nope, nope, and nope. No, no, no. You're alright. You're alright. Me could never take back Jakes. And you can't girl come fucking in my bed. I saw me that love man and fool. You have money a girl. Or you for have my money when me come rank a girl. And we have two hungry belly pitney. What's the levels of respect is that? No, be real. What is the level of respect you have for you take up my money when me draw? I give you man. You don't respect me, so the fuck me I do with you? Or can I go and say I love that man to anybody at all? Yeah, I want to come ball and I tell people say my fuck for me. The world tell me say I lie, me I tell. What kind of respect I live here where I take up minds? When me come sit up on my ass and chat and beg for hours. I give girl for one broke. Girl, whenever you can buy a pair of slippers, the pair of slippers them have another red one and me buy it. When me I come from Panama. The Clarks them one is me buy it. The clothes of memory now is me buy it. So I'm going to take you back. I talk about waste girl where you can't go yard the roadside of the life. Your house not done yet. Your house not done yet. And the blood clot go in a palatable before you do live over there. You have to stand up in a lane every day I do live. If I even left you, I not see you improve. Cause remember, you know, people have money, people will have money house done quick. Cause for bill a house, not take 10, 20, and 30 and $40. And for bill a house, take time. Cause the black them can go up and you cast it off, and it still don't make no sense. And a $10 bill house. My father bill house before my daughter ball and my daughter 10. And I one part him finish out and catch a night. Him not in the bathroom, nothing more than the day. The all one done. And me matter about rate and blame. I mean I put my money in a female establishment. I remember the toe head no good. And a $10 bill house. When you're doing things, you have to save for it. So you save enough, you know, so alright then that money that I have, I have to do this, and the money that I have for this. You know, just get up and do things so. It will never complete. That's why some people start have kids when I put it one word. Some people start have kids. Some people have kids when them older. When them have it, can maintain them kids. I just girl like me and some other girl way. As we fuck we breed, cause we are easy breed and we just breed. I'm $10 for bills. Lane black a one. Lane black a one. Chaos in the house. Rendied, tile it out, rendied every blood clotting. Picked up paint every blood clotting, grill it. And put French and night blood clot. And a $10 bills. But I'm glad for him effort. I work, man. And a $10 bills. But I'm glad for him effort. Me say no $10 bill house. House expensive more than car. House is expensive more than car. Because if I know 1 building, him I do more than 1 building. So the only thing him can do now I carry it up and cast it and try paint out the building and put Solitex, put paint out the building, put 2 windows in one door and put linoleum at the ground and put 1 bed in it and 1 fan and 1 box and come from over the gully. The rest of the part gonna keep on pending. And a $5 and $10 bill house if you pay work, man. But we can't tell a man to do a man. I don't want to talk. People say a bad mind. Or we left them and them do what they want to do. And plus you have one look of skiddy blue, one look of skibbing boo boo. You land them out your money, we have to get 10 and 15 and $20,000. When you could have used them to buy 2 more black. So when a girl can ask me if I still love. I still want. Jokes them a sucker salt. Me no want more salt man around blood clot me. Well, more want 200,000 make up and buy. If more want 200,000 make up and buy 1 blood clot. One wheel me can't get it. Me no want them the man they are salt man. Me no want more salt man around me. At 2025 now we are going at 2026. Me no want no more salt man around me. When me not say I gonna make no sense. If your salt don't bother come. And Jakes them salt. It's not just them move around, me could have buy 1 car. Jakes them salt. Jakes mama salt. Them are salt people. Them salt and them no get along with them each other. The whole family them live bad. Them are cursed people, them salt. You don't want no more salt man around me. And I can't say me breed because I don't breed already, but Jakes them salt. All them mama salt. Do you imagine you don't live now, you pick and live now? Panic. Imagine you was a big woman soon 15 and live in a blood clot way. And your son at 30 and live now neither. And the more have 1 bill now can't go around there. How them can't go around there? As much as you see my bill house, them soon live around there, them live bad. The whole scheme no. Run the survey and I scheme and make me lock my eye and say me not get the same result with me. The whole of them live bad. The more they live around that she can't, the more they live around the yard, you know. And left fear blood, left 1 pan of draw so around the mama chuck their fight and draw. Why? My dear. Yeah. 1 blood clot bad pan of sour draws. G-string and different panty and tile it till it's sour. Mama said, no, you got to leave. Go back over the gully. She can't stay around there. I used to share off and up. I'm a son. Mama yet I like pies. The last time the mama come and me, I have to tell the mama buy 1 phone for you because the man I buy it out of her pocket. And I fear her daughter. And my mom fuck and breathe for the man. I saw me get acquainted with you know. And you come from friend, you can't buy your daughter 1 phone for $100. The mama make you know so I want simpler phone she buy. She not buy no phone for no $100 give her. And I mean them always want to come class. Them live very bad. And them don't know if the mama only a corporate no can look money around. Wait till she hungry and even want food and them not give her it. Jakes mama gonna such a tell Jakes mama gonna such a tell police Jakes a gunman, you know. And police a walk look for him. Shut up my mouth, yeah. Mr. Jakes mama gonna such a tell police Jakes a gunman. And police a walk and look for him. And me blood clot here come here. And me blood clot here come here. I'm gonna prison your blood clot. I rough people them. I just gotta look at money around and she can't, my son, you can't beg 1 spliff. And the young boy we are fuck she. The younger than Jakes now have it. Cause mechanic work him do perfume for the workplace. All him want 2 good suit are close to. But anyway, we're not gonna look at that. Coming at the place doesn't hungry and naked, so I pure hungry, naked, blood clot dirty people. My son, you can't beg and it will get it. So me know the details. And then I like that one and I kind of paint. And them are dirty people. And them salt. Somebody come in my inbox going, in my inbox? And I'm on my phone. I don't remember in my house up on my phone. So somebody have a jokes like, so I'm going to buy the mama one bedroom set. I mean, I wonder what she going to put it in. Because I mean, I'll park my car up the road later. What time now? Every time them see me night appear puff, off and puff. Same face, huh? So me all hurricane mono music and buy me things. Every time the people them see me, you know? Every time them see me and my things. For what? Every time Mr. Jakes want. See me, huh? Mr. What is not this? And these are the levels of the things we don't understand. TikTok. I never cuff my cuff from the get-go. But me's a person like this. Me no boast, me no hype, me no show off. Live like some people. Me can't rock the rich. And you see me all the road. You see me all barefoot all the road. Me come out of my vehicle, I go buy something somewhere, and I come out and I'm so socks. I want to look at dress, and when I look at dress and my ear go all pull out. I'm a rotten rich. Me not do boss and hype. Me not turn myself in a target practice. And that's why I still live where me live. I want me live here so somebody know you can't know if me have money or not. I still buy the local corner shop same way. I still do all of my routine. Them still blood clot though. I still if I want to out the road and I want piss. I still cock up and piss him out the road. Yeah. You see what change with that. If piss come down upon me, I'm there road, I don't drop my clothes and just fling it up and shh and poop. So I don't make nothing change about me. So you can't know nothing about me. So 95% of them did say I want to have me money on a car. When I live same, I never move. I'm not what the world said jerk me, because you can't make people know in your belly. You can't people know make you know your last move. If I want me say me I buy blood clot car from way up in that blood clot here. One time I say me I go buy for my birthday and change my mind. I pay a change my mind. Because people are watching, you can't make people know your last move. And man, I gotta do things that talk, you know. You can't know my last move. Me hate it. Cause me will be and put on my clothes and tell me I go on a party, and then 25 minutes my mood change. Now me people know my last move. You ever go see me with things? A long time for buy me car, look how long time from up in my blood clot. You're long time. I don't make people know my last move. Long time. One time I say I go buy it and put it off. I don't like people know more about me more than me. So if me a fuck a boy, you can't know. Unless me talk. I just saw me stay. You can't know my last move nor the next. If me a fuck a boy, you can't know so me a fuck a boy. Remember me have the remedy. Anytime I feel like. Cause I see screen card with film blood clot, brother come talk about Jake's and mother and father film mute them. Pussy Jake's man blood clot pitney. Oh no enough so. Oh no enough so. Jake's man pitney. I don't want a piece of clout. No TikTok really I find out who Jake's is. Me so take another time and I come back on my phone. I spit and move, you know. Spit and move. Come here, wonder, me for real, me full of a man more than my youth them. A few people used to believe in me. I know them by name and nature. I want the boy come with the light store and sit down on the name town and take it down the top. I'm man have evil. She love man more than her blood clot pick them. And I me mind them. Wednesday I'm going to drop him because of bam money. I show the quote hard, I know everybody I watch without even going at the girl yard. Cause everybody I watch, I know when them come up in a story. I don't can't prison me, you know. I don't can't stop me from get what is mine's. I'm smarter than the world. I just have that. I want to talk to my people, buy them. Me buy them 2 phone. Me buy them 2 phone and 2 chip. I always correspond with my youth them. Always. Me buy them 2 phone and 2 blood clot chip. I want them to call them. My daughter talk daily. You don't have to see we are talking at the street, but we correspond. But them say to us, a wicked woman come here. Yeah, I know. Where you call them a government name? You say a government name that? You say wicked woman, yes. Mommy, why you always call them a government name? I say, nothing. What the way you clap the tease them, me dear? Me say, me love, can I tell you? Me say, to just call me a while ago. Me say, miss me, I gotta do my work. Mommy, we don't leave daddy. We don't leave the man alone. Me say, I want to know. Him come on here, say, I cuss. I talk to him, woman, on phone and I cuss you. Him come in here, we have to say, him out, say, I cuss. I talk to my people them every day. I want people me have when I look on people in a barber. So him not say much. But you know the whole one I watch me, nobody go around there. Yeah. Because you know say, none of them not like me long time. Because when I rank my money, I walk and feed some of them in the scheme. I know them not like me, so them walk and watch me. Everybody I watch me. So you know what me do? I buy my pin in them 2 phone and correspond them through the phone. If I want to see them, I will a video call. My mama still in a court session. And I have me youth them, I correspond with them every day. But what? I not make them say, because everybody I watch. For you, something for carry me down in a courthouse. Somebody that go around there. You want nothing, you ring my phone. Me get it done, no worry. Everybody I watch. I assume I know so the father I was in the lane. I try less to go around there. But me in a war. I not go around there. Him always in the lane. Him always in the lane. Me not go around there. Me not go around there, no. Pop in and pop out. Me not go around me there every day. Because I don't want I'm always in the lane and I don't want nobody go say me come around there come. Me don't want it because them, remember them not like me, no. Remember them not like me, no. Remember them not like me. Wonder for someone understand what me I say. Remember say them not him the blood clot like me, no. Remember say them the blood clot like me. And the people them wanna like me, him friend them and I feed them. Them not like me, no, the one of them not like me, him friend them and feed them for them out upon him side. So you know them house in the lane and them I do him live, me not go around there. It's true me know say, me and my friend and him friend them wanna like me. And me know I feed them, me not go around there. More me youth them a call them have a phone. Everybody have a phone. Everybody have on credit. Everybody have Wi-Fi. Call me. Them not tell a lie upon me and them not sink me more. And them not stop me from get what is mine. Cause them 2 penny belongs to me. I assume I want to go right by the books. Me not even me not tarry. Cause me not make 2 mistakes. Me not make the same mistake twice. Second of me ego. For being at chattings with dirty man. Me not go around there.
Bless. Put in the comment section what you think about that. Again, people, make sure you're safe, you see me? Because we're not going longer, this no longer your side. Bless.